Hello, my name is James, and I'm currently a junior studying chemical engineering with a minor in engineering management at Arizona State University. I have recently been working at Ping Golf as a chemical engineering intern studying bond strengths of different epoxies along with other various projects. Before I got to where I am now, I was a student at Crystal Lake South High School where I was involved in many of the business courses such as Intro to Business, Accounting, and VEI. I was also involved in the Project Lead the Way program. The knowledge that I acquired from these courses was without a doubt the most valuable pieces of information that I learned before entering college. Starting with the business courses that I took, I learned a lot about the inner workings of how businesses function. These basics that I learned are the foundation that builds and holds up different companies, and this information is essential to understand if you're going to be successful at a company. Understanding what a financial statement is, how to properly market a new product, how to make a business plan, the differences between a manager and a leader, are all learned in the variety of business courses that are taught at Crystal Lake South and other high schools. All the information that one learns is then put to the test in the Business Capstone course VEI. As the COO of Unwind, I was in the front lines of creating an entire new company, which involved marketing a brand new product line, creating a business plan, and creating business relationships with other VEI firms. This experience is important for young individuals to learn because it represents how an actual company functions. I can personally say that the experiences that I gained from the business courses and VEI, that I was a step ahead among my peers because I knew how business functioned, and I was able to go and stride with any company that I started with, much like how I'm doing with Ping right now. Not only that, I was able to gain life skills that everyone is going to have an experience with in one form or another. These life skills include how to write a check, filling out W-4s, and how to properly budget your income. Learning this information at a young age was beneficial because I knew what I was doing when I had to fill out my first W-4 and when I had to budget my paychecks. These courses are the building blocks of basic life skills that everyone is going to need at some point in their life, which is why it's beneficial for students to take these courses sooner rather than later. The PLTW program was also a huge benefit for me when entering college and with my current job at Ping. Through PLTW, I had a variety of experiences that taught me general engineering practices, how to use different engineering software such as CAD, Arduino, and programming. It also taught me life lessons on how to work within groups, how to deal with people of different cultures or different life values, and how to bounce back after a failed prototype. For someone who is in engineering right now, these life lessons were a huge thing for me to learn in high school because I was able to take those experiences and be that much more successful in my courses at ASU, as well as being able to work with my coworkers at Ping. The commonality that we can see within these courses is that they give students experiences, teaches them lessons, and provides knowledge that will be used immensely in their future endeavors wherever they end up, whether if that is at college or going straight into the workforce. These courses prepare students for the real world, and as we all know, the real world can be daunting. However, if you can step into it with these experiences, you'll be that much ahead of a lot of other individuals and make you that much more successful. Thank you for your time.